Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a new database in MySQL. And we are going to learn to do that using SQL command and graphical interface in Workbench. So first, to do that using the syntax of SQL, we just need to type create database and the database name. If we need to type another syntax which is not belong to this piece of code, we should add this semicolon. So semicolon means anything after it doesn't belong to this part of code. And as I mentioned, SQL is not a case sensitive. You can use uppercase or lowercase to type your code. However, it is conventional to use uppercase in SQL. So create database and the name of the database. That's it. And to run this code, you need simply just to click on this icon. Click on it, and there we go. You can find here the action output. This correct green circle means that your command has been executed successfully. So we already created the database. And if you want to see your database, you need just to click refresh to see your database, because right now we cannot see it. Click on it, and there we go. This is our database. Click on this play icon and you can see the database and everything inside database. Click on this again. So this icon is to collapse and uncollapse. And if we want to create a database using the graphical interface, we can come to this icon. If you see this icon, click on it, create a new schema. So now we can create a database using the graphical interface. We just need to give a new name because we cannot use the same name of the database because it is already existing. We're gonna to receive an error message. So let's say we are going to call this database or schema GRE. And we can keep the default stuff here, and just we need to click on apply. Click on OK here and click on apply again. And finish. That's it. You can see here the new database is already created for you. And this time you don't have to click refresh because you use the graphical interface. If you are done with this screen, you may close it from here. Click on this X to close it. And that's it. So now you learn how to create a new database using SQL command and the graphical interface. And in the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete or drop the database. So stay tuned.